Jump all aboard, mate.
Jump all aboard.
Jump all aboard. It's time to catch a train to Funtown.
Funtown.
Yep, all aboard. Stopping all stations.
G'day. Oh, hello.
We're talking,
What do you got there?
Trains with
today,
Will James.
Yeah. We're getting ready for a big old weekend.
Is that Puff and Billy?
No.
I'm
No.
not allowed to talk about Puff and Billy. I lose control.
You get too excited.
Takes me back.
Yeah.
Takes me back.
Fond memories.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good. Everyone. Yeah. Lovely. Excellent. Excellent.
I don't mind Puff and Billy.
What's
Put the foot plate down. Realize it's up.
It always freaks me out when I see you pull out your tweezers. It's like, what are you doing?
He carries them.
Yeah. Well, I've got clumsy hands. Big silly hands, so it's just easier just to do stuff.
So you're going to do some Master Chef stuff or something?
No. Oh, a
That's
few
the
micro
garnish.
herbs.
Yeah, a bit of garnish on the train.
Yeah. No. I brought in a D3.
Ah.
I brought in a couple of things, but I brought in a D3 because we've got the Newport Railway Workshops open day this weekend.
Have we ever? It's
we
going to be
absolutely do.
a big weekend.
And is there one of these, is it?
Huge. So this is D3639, pretty much what it looks like now, which is a locomotive that's out there, and will be
I
in
thought it was
steam.
Canadian red.
It was in the 80s.
Ah, that's
and
why I'm
the
getting
90s.
confused.
So nowadays it's black. So this is it, and
It's easy for the soot stains.
a little bit easier to keep clean, I dare say. But I liked it in red. I think it looked a lot nicer.
Faster.
But I thought, this is a bit more accurate at the moment.
Accurate. And that's
So
what
we'll
we're about.
show some people. But so this is SDS and Phoenix Reproductions model. It did come out a little bit ago.
Mm-hmm.
But just getting ready for the anticipation of this weekend.
Yeah. Are you performing?
I will be performing.
Yep. Are you shoveling in a shovel coal kind of way, in a whistle tooting kind of way?
Might toot a few whistles.
Yep.
They don't like me on the shovel, so
No.
I move around too much. I'm
Do you?
a bit of an idiot. Yeah.
Why do you dance?
Too
They
busy-
tell me I dance too much with it.
Too
So
busy posing.
yeah. That's it.
Kissing babies with a coal mouth.
What?
Talking about coal, how do
Good
they get
grief.
the coal to give that finish? Because you can see the facets and stuff on it.
Yeah, I honestly,
So
I cut the coal out of mine and redid it.
Is that a
That's
separate piece of added to it after
It is
they painted
actually a
it?
separate piece, so that
Right.
can just be removed
Right.
if you want.
What kind of coal did you put?
I ended up putting one of them's got the Woodland Scenics coal in the back of it because it looks a little bit nicer. It's not as this does have a slight plasticky sheen to it,
Mhm.
and I prefer a bit
But coal
better
does
coal
glisten
load.
in the sunlight, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
but you can have better coal.
It's called carbon, isn't
Better
it?
coal.
And it's more
Very
random
coal.
shapes.
Yeah, it looks a bit nicer.
So what did you do? So you cut it out, and what did you make a new
I
plate?
actually just flipped it upside down.
Oh, okay.
And
and then
then,
just
and then I put a styrene sheet across it so I didn't have to fill it all the way up
yeah.
because it is recessed.
What
That
to,
is
to
actually
the height
hollow.
of that?
Yeah,
Right.
and then that's what I
Recold it.
did.
Is that what
Recold
it's
it.
called?
I
Recold.
suppose.
And what do you
Refilled
use?
it,
Just
yeah.
some white glue.
How come they?
Yeah.
What's all this part here?
So that is where the water is held. So your tender
Tender.
has got
Chicken
water in
tender.
it. Chicken tender, and coal tender. It's the duck tender.
Mm.
Yeah. So water, all your fuel. So because that's what it does. It heats
So
water.
how do they get the water from here to here? Do they pipe it across, or what?
Yeah.
What do they do?
Yeah. So usually underneath. you've got
Oh,
some
right.
Pipes and stuff. Yeah.
Right.
We'll send it through.
There you go.
So there's your little hatch there at the back.
Hatch.
For your water. So you
I
have
thought
your
they
water
filled
column
I
back in the
thought they
day.
filled the trains up. That shows how much I know.
Well, they used to fill them up. So you'd
Oh,
have
did
your,
they?
your water tower and your coaling towers, but they'd fill up the tenders, not the locomotive.
Oh, shows how many
Yeah.
steam trains I've been on.
Not enough.
When they bring Puff and Billy into the station, it's full. Can barely
Chockers.
move. Chockers.
Yeah.
So the boiler. So where's the boiler? All the way across
So
here,
this
right?
is your firebox here is this square bit in the front.
Yep.
Then this is your boiler here, which is filled with rods, which heat the water.
Right.
Right.
Yeah. Rods.
And this thing will be full of water.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, it's got some water in
There you go.
Right.
there. Yeah.
And then the smoke we normally see coming out of the chimney.
Yes.
Is that from the firebox or is that steam?
Steam.
Right.
Steam. So
Mixed with.
we'll mix with a bit because now I do not know the full fundamentals of how a steam engine works, but because if
Well,
I know if
sounds
they
like you know
over
about it.
fuel them, essentially, you can get bits and pieces coming out the top there.
If they run them too rich.
What, bits,
That's-
bits
that's-
of pipe?
Bits of coal,
That's when
bits
you
of
get
pipe,
bits of coal in your hair and your eye
your
and your
cinders
face.
in your eyes, yeah.
Doing these
Little
ones.
treat,
Are you talking about when there's a failure?
When you're on Puff and Billy with your legs out the window choking on it.
yeah.
No. When she's roaring up the hill, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going for it.
Look at me go.
Yeah. Well, you'll be able to come out this weekend. You can just rub it in your face and
Make
get
it
it
tasty,
right
can't
into
you?
it.
But I can't.
Yeah.
I can't
You can
go
chew
near
it.
a steam train without having PTSD to BJ's barbecue.
Oh,
Hey,
Wasn't that bad.
I was Smoky Sue.
Mate,
you
you're gonna-
chili briquettes on the fire.
No, it wasn't briquettes. It was
It
like
was wood,
steam
mate.
train.
It was wood.
It was steam train coal.
It was.
Wood.
It smelled like Puff and Billy was sitting outside.
Cool, do it.
Melted the
Best
table.
tasting barbecue.
Yeah,
It tastes-
bit of carbon.
You could taste it for weeks.
Yeah.
Lick the wall, you'll taste it.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So
It is
tell
the
us, are
best.
we going to take this train for a test drive?
We actually can, but I also brought something else here
Oh.
as well. So in our recent
Oh, what's that?
restocking, so this is how it. Well, no, this is actually the parcel van.
Tony Gray knows all about restockings.
Of
Restocking himself.
No, wearing stockings.
Yeah, but when you change your stockings, that's called restocking, isn't it?
Restocking, that's right. Re-sleeving.
So this is good grief. So this is off the Southern Aurora, which was the train that used to run between Melbourne and Sydney.
That used to
Right.
be a slang.
What was Southern Aurora?
Yeah, it looks like when you see like a car that was in like dire repair or something like that, you say, Jesus, it looks like it's been hit by the Southern Aurora.
Oh, fair enough. Yeah, it was an iconic train.
it?
It was a name train, so that makes sense.
Should we go from the top camera?
Yeah, we can go to the top camera because this thing has got a special end on it.
Special
Hello.
end.
Let's flip around.
You know I
here.
love a special end.
Yeah, just get her in.
Oh, there you
front
go.
of this.
Oh, it's got a number plate.
So it's got the neon sign on the back, which in a sec we'll get out. I don't know how well we'll be able to show it.
What do you mean? Does it light up?
Don't
Yeah,
shut
it lights up.
Shut the front gate.
That's why I brought the test track out.
Oh, have we got loose wires? We'll just power it up and hopefully
Probably
hold it on
could.
this angle.
Which
Yeah.
wires?
Yeah, you got
We
an
can turn off all
alligator
the lights.
clip or
We'll
something.
make the lighting like really
Sing kumbaya.
romantic.
Oh, jeez. So this will work on DC and DCC. It doesn't need any adjustments. You do have switches on the base of it.
Oh, what do the switches
does that
do?
do?
Flip her around here. So these do have end of train marker lights and things like that.
Right.
So you can switch them on and off
Oh, okay.
Is it
if you
just
want.
DC?
Well, it'll work with DCC as well. If you want.
I
If you
don't,
want,
I
you
don't
can
know
make
what I
it-
want. I need you to tell me what I want.
So what's this finish? Is that a painted finish or is that a brushed natural finish?
This one, this is painted.
Right.
In real life, they were stainless steel.
Oh, no, stainless,
Natural.
right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
well, they still exist. Once again, if you come out to the Newport Railway Workshops open day this weekend, there's a couple of Southern Aurora cars out there.
Really?
Yeah. 707 operations have got a few of them they use on their sleeper trains.
I'm dying to see that lit up.
Yeah.
Let's light the sucker up.
Yeah, if you've got a 9-volt battery, you can basically just touch it to the wheels if you want.
9 volt. I can't because he's already stuck his tongue in all the 9 volts.
Ah,
Let's flatten them all.
hungry. Keen for getting started for the
I like the
weekend.
tingle.
Actually, there is a
Oh.
9 volt floating around somewhere. Let me
Yeah.
dig around.
It was from the old rat.
That's it.
No, the retired rat. Look at him. He's ferreting in no man's land.
Yeah, fair
Meanwhile,
enough.
we're here talking trains. I feel that it's gone quiet.
Have we gone
Make
onto
it
the,
look
are we on the wrong camera? Are we on the close-up camera?
We're on overhead.
Oh, we are. That's
Oh, you want to swap it over?
Oh,
Just
it's up
hit,
to you.
hit the auto button.
Hit the
auto.
auto.
Yeah, the big white auto button.
Down the bottom.
No, yeah.
Oh, this
That's it.
one.
There you
Look
go.
at that.
You're right.
Magical. Oh,
Look at that. You're now directing.
train professional. So yeah, that's what you got. That's part, so this is part of the set. You can get add-on bits, but no, this rolling stock has ended up in preservation, and it still runs around. The New South Wales set still runs around with the
What I
Southern
found.
Aurora end on it. Now let's see if this thing's got enough juice in it first.
Oh, do I need to turn off the...
There we go.
Oh,
so
is
you
it on?
might have to turn the light off.
Yeah. Turn off that off.
If I hit auto here, look at that.
Yeah.
1 to 2.
Ah.
You beauty. All right. Yeah,
Don't tempt me with a good time.
end in focus.
Hang on.
Oh,
We're back.
dim the lights. Oh, have we
Oh,
got
it's
have
not
I gone
dim,
around
are
the
we?
wrong way? There we go. Hang on.
Don't do it the wrong
There
way.
we go.
Oh, it is on. You can sort of see it.
So you can sort of see it there. So you've got your end marker lights. All this battery's pretty cactus, I think, mate.
Well, I told you he stuck his tongue in it.
There
There you go. You can see it.
So yeah, your end marker lights. Yeah, this battery. There we go. End marker lights are on, and yeah,
Oh, that's all right, isn't it?
and it lights up. Look at that. Pretty neat.
I was a bit worried there, Brett. I thought you were getting in to lick it.
I was trying.
Yeah.
Nice.
Bit of
I like it.
Southern
That's
action.
impressive.
Hey, we're in the dark.
Aren't we? Doesn't that feel special?
Oh, I'm tingling.
Yeah.
You know I'm not allowed in the dark.
Yeah, so there you go. So that's a couple of new things that have come in, and Yeah. Together.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
You can't do that.
No, you can't. It's
You
not.
can't.
That's not prototype, is it? Yeah, you can't have that.
Yeah, you got to plug it in
You
the
will
right way around.
upset
You
the phone.
absolutely can have that because it's your railway. You can
That's right. Do what you want.
All right.
Them's the rules.
Fantastic. So tell us about Newport Railway.
So Newport Railway Workshops, it's the biennial
Biennial. Happens
For 2
every 2 years.
open day.
Yep.
So we've got, I think in total around 30 locomotives, about a
Hosted.
dozen in steam or in service. So we've got some diesels out for the first time. I got a couple of new ones that got announced this week, which is pretty neat.
Are you doing signings? Is there a certain place where people can see you?
I will be
Get their
on.
babies
I will
kissed.
be on the ground
Running.
Sunday, Monday, just running in that 40-degree weather. But we'll have plenty of water for free there, and
Plenty
there
of
are places
whistles.
to
Plenty
hang
of
out.
whistles to toot.
Absolutely, we'll have locomotives in steam, and you can come down, toot the whistle. You can buy tickets online now if you don't want to have to queue up.
Where do I go?
Otherwise,
Steamrail.
Steamrail.com. Bang it in. And it'll just go to tours, and
Can you catch a red rattler out there?
There we go.
unfortunately not.
Oh.
We will have the Red Rattler out there on display, but it's not running this weekend, unfortunately.
Okay.
But it is
Upcoming-
going to run a
upcoming
bunch of other
tours.
times during the year, so you can definitely check that out.
I'm really looking forward to a day on the trains.
Yeah, so
There we go.
Hanging for it. It's been a hot minute. It's been a few months, so pretty keen. But unfortunately, this summer, so
Oh,
there's no mainline
what's
steam
asking
at
for
the
a
minute.
password?
I don't know.
And
what have you
how's
clicked
your news and everything going?
on? News is going well. I was very happy with the news that I produced the last episode. I think it was one of my better ones without getting to, don't understand too
You,
arrogant.
you
but,
don't have to thank me directly,
open
but
dates.
it's okay.
Yeah.
appreciate
You
it.
did draw all those pictures for me.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's called storyboarding, mate.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah, storyboarding.
Oh, wouldn't have known.
All right, here's a link to Steamrail's website.
But there
This
was,
weekend?
it's been very popular, and I put a lot into it last month. So there was a lot of review kind of stuff in there, and hopefully everyone enjoyed it. It's getting some good feedback.
Well,
And
don't
then
take your foot off the gas, mate. There's going to be no.
I'm
no
full
letting
gas.
off.
Yeah. No. Well, I'm at Kyneton tomorrow, Kyneton Model Railway Exhibition as well.
You said you're
So-
at Newport.
Yes, Sunday and Monday I'm at Newport.
Oh, sorry.
So I'm going to make it.
So they can't catch you
I shouldn't
Saturday.
have done that.
No,
Okay.
I won't be there Saturday. If you want to catch me Saturday, you have to go to Kyneton.
Yeah, what's going on at Kyneton?
There's a Model Railway Exhibition. So Kyneton usually put
Just
on a
little
pretty good
trains?
show. Little trains.
Yep.
Little trains take.
Are you taking a layout?
No, we're not taking a layout. So we've got the club layouts at the open day though. So Maryborough and Gisborne are on display.
Oh, Gizzy.
Yeah, and a massive Lego display is there as well of the Newport Railway Workshops.
I saw that at the.
You saw a little bit of it.
Oh, there's
Yes,
more Lego.
but wait, there's more.
Did you build the Lego?
No, I'm not part of the Lego group.
Okay. Well, if you try harder and keep going, little fella.
Like I could be there.
All right.
Oh, that's cool.
All right, guys. Well, that
Easy.
is everything trains, talking trains
Yeah.
with Will James.
Absolutely.
Thank you for joining us,
Not a
mate.
problem. Thank you for having me.
And I look forward to all your fans coming out and seeing you
Well,
Sunday and
A lot
Monday.
of people have been in today, which has been really nice to see. A lot of interstate visitors.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, good stuff.
yeah, it's good. It's good. It's exciting.
Thank you
All right,
very much,
thank
Will
you.
James.
Thank you.